a fire hose. Good morning, welcome to camp. What we're going to do this morning is run the pump and test the fire hoses at the back of the new house. So let's get the pump started up. Let's see, the moves have been here. The moves have knocked this off. We'll open up the valve here. Always leave it on, just to choke. Okay, so what we have here is a fire hose, .38 metres I think it was in length. It's hard to turn on and off as far as get the hose on and off, but let's have a look. So we'll open up the water into the unit. That gives us spraying from here up to that black. So it's a fixed nozzle. Okay, so that's got air in it. Okay, so I've got a valve open, one valve open that's filling up the big water tank that waters all the gardens and trees, and the pump's not running at full speed, and I have the opportunity to run the second pump, so I could actually run two pumps and pressurise the system, turn off the valve to that tank, and I'd probably get a little bit more pressure than this in two hoses. But that's not bad. That's probably 15 metres, 12 to 15 metres. That's not too bad. And go and have a look at the other one. Here we have the second hose. probably about the same, maybe a touch more. Yeah, we've got one fire hose there, and one fire hose down the other end of the house. The house water, we have 3 5,000 gallon tanks. The water's, I noticed the neighbours got water a few days ago, and saw the big tanker up top of the hill there. And we're about there, so 2 rings down. So we're about 3/4 full. We've got some beautiful mangoes coming on this year on this tree. It's full of mangoes, and every 2 days, what you'll notice is the ones that set are the ones that get the heavy stalks on them, and the rest will fall off. There'll only probably be 2 per branch at the most. But I water this every 2 days now. It's so dry at the moment. I water all these trees every couple of days. But, you can see how dry the pasture is up there. And I've just sprayed down through this ravine here. This is the house ravine, it runs into the second dam. It's quite pretty, this ravine that runs down when it's green. And they're forecasting, look at the mangoes on that tree. That's why I'm watering it, because I want those mangoes to set. Unbelievable. We cut that tree back really hard to virtually stumps 2 years ago. So for 2 years, you can see right there the cluster of where the stumps right there. You can see the stumps in there where I cut it back to, and then we had the growth on it for 2 years, and now we've got a good set of mangoes. Another stump there, look at that, a beautiful regrowth. Does mango trees good, and the proof is will be in the fruit. Some nice big ones starting up there. Be nice. Over probably 3/4 of those will fall off. But if we can get a mango to stick on each one of these, it'll be really good. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Here's Jess. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.